Hello, welcome to this session. In this session, we will understand the functionality of zero accounting integration with Odoo 8. This module will facilitate user to export partners, products, currencies, supplier invoices and customer invoices. In order to understand its functionality, let's log into the database of Odoo, and simultaneously I have logged in to zero accounting software. When this module is installed, it adds a new menu called zero accounting in accounting section. So in this particular menu, you have options to export and import data from Odoo to zero. So in export function, you have option to export partners, products and invoices. Export invoices will carry both types of invoices, that is customer invoice and supplier invoice. The payments received in zero can be imported from the import payment function. So in order to understand the functionality, let's create one customer invoice in Odoo. Let's add a product with quantity say 60, unit price 50, discount could be say 5%, save and validate it. So now a new invoice of number 20 is generated in Odoo. We'll export this. Since a new partner is created, we should export the partners first. If you have created products, then you are supposed to export the product first and then export invoice. We have used existing product, so we'll switch to the third step, that is export invoice. When click on export invoice, it will pop up one wizard where user is supposed to select invoices to be exported to zero. So this is the new invoice which I have just created, and export invoices. So the invoices are exported now. Let's switch to zero accounting software and go to the sales section. Now since we have exported a validated invoice to zero accounting, it will appear in awaiting payment status. So when we look into it, you will see an invoice of reference 20 is now available in zero accounting. So just open that. So this is what the invoice you have. This is the same what you had created for in Odoo 2850. Let's pay this amount and add a payment. So now this invoice is being paid in zero. So let's import that payment to Odoo now. When we click on import, it will import all the payments to Odoo, and you will see now the invoice which we have created is now in paid status. We can verify the payments that has been created by that. So this is how the export of partner, product, currency, purchase invoice and sale invoice are done from Odoo to zero, and similarly import of payments from zero to Odoo. This is how the functionality of Odoo integration with zero accounting works. Thank you.